of Goa Rugby. We are in inception from 2017. So this is another version of the full contact game, the beach rugby fives. It's made up of 5 players per team. We've got about 8 teams playing on Kolva. We wanted to do it in Kolva because we wanted to promote the game down south. It's a good response. There are a lot of people who are watching this beautiful game, and we have kids coming all the way from Sankalim and Walpoi and Marcel to play this game on this beach today. Watch us on our Facebook and Twitter handle. There's lots happening, and follow us and get your kids out to play too.
Rugby is a contact sport in which there is 2 main versions, 7s and 15s, and that means 7 people on the field, and it's full body contact. So you take a hit, you pass the ball backwards, and you keep moving forward in this fashion. You have to pass the ball backwards. The rules are pretty simple once you start playing it. A lot of people don't know what it is, but it's a fun game, and we've been playing it for about 2.5-3 years now, and our teams are doing really well. Like our men's team has moved up to a rank 8 now, starting at the bottom, and the girls have moved up to the 5th rank in the country, and there's 22 women states playing at the rugby nationals right now.
Last year we had one, so this is the second tournament we're having, beach rugby. We have it around 4 tournaments throughout the year on different various grounds.